Hey friends, so we got the 2025 mystery set. We got 2 bags of them. Let's open them together. Oh, I got Halloween Donald. I already got this one. You got the chase! Shut your mouth!
Tell me.
Sorry. This is Halloween Donald. I already have this one, sadly, but I'll trade this one for that one. That's the Chaser Castle. It's the Epcot ball.
Okay, what else did you guys get?
Hold on, I'll hold it.
Okay.
I think this is just a repeating set. Cheshire Cat? Yeah.
Oh boy.
I get the Cheshire Cat 2025 pin.
This one is a headband. Oh, you don't have that one.
I have that one.
You do?
So
The
you
pirate?
can have that.
Oh.
Let's see it up close.
Pirate pin.
Yay!
All right, so let's see all 4 of them.
All 4 all together. Ready? I'll go on the top, you on the bottom.
There they are.
Yay!
And as always, join the magic of the adventure and we'll see you at the Disney parks.